What are predefined colors? Well, in CSS, there are about 140 predefined colors that we can use like a word to set color for a selected HTML element. For example, for a selected span element, we can use orange, that is predefined color, to set background color for our span. Please be aware of that you cannot use any word that you want, for example, darkest orange or anything like that. You can use only predefined colors, and in description of this lesson, you can find complete list of available predefined colors. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.